Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Ehsan and you're watching Learning Corner online. Today I'm going to discuss phrase and different types of phrases that we have in English grammar. So today our lecture is about the phrase and types of phrases. When we talk about the phrase is actually a group of words that doesn't convey full meaning and can't stand alone. Why? Because we do not have an action verb. So action verb is missing when we talk about a phrase. That is why it can't stand alone and can't function like a complete sentence. Okay, phrases are considered the most important element in English grammar. When we talk about the phrase, it strengthens the sentence to make it more meaningful. When we talk about phrase and compare it with a clause. So if clauses are considered as a pillar of a building, then phrases are its bricks. Phrase is usually present within a clause. Okay, now let us move on toward the different types of phrases that we have. We have different types of phrases, like we have noun phrase, we have verb phrase, we have gerund phrase, we have infinitive phrase, we have a positive phrase, we have adverbial phrase, we have adjective phrase, and we have conjunction phrase. Let us start with noun phrase. Noun phrase is comprised of noun and its modifier. Remember, in noun phrase we have group of word, but the head word is the noun. Noun is the head word of noun phrase. So when we talk about the function of a noun phrase, so the function of noun phrase is similar to the function of a noun. Means just like the noun, it is used as a subject, as an object and object of preposition. Like look at this example, the bewildered tourist was lost. In this example, the underlined words function as a noun phrase, and here the focal word is noun, and the remaining words are the modifier of this word noun, tourist. Okay, now let us move on toward the verb phrase. What is the function of a verb phrase? So in verb phrase we normally have a main verb along with the auxiliaries, because sometimes it is not possible for a main verb to convey complete meaning. So like look at this example. He is going to school. We can't say he going to school, because in some cases it is not possible for a verb to convey complete meaning. So in such cases we need to add helping verb to the main verb, and whenever we add a helping verb with the main verb, that forms verb phrase. Okay, then we have gerund phrase. When we talk about a gerund phrase always begins with a gerund. Okay, and in English sentence it functions as a noun. Means the function of gerund phrase is similar to the function of a noun. Means we use gerund phrase as a noun, as a subject, as an object, and as an object of preposition. Like look at this example, getting a promotion is exciting. Here getting a promotion is a gerund phrase. Here it functions as a noun because I have used it as a subject in the given sentence. Okay, then we have infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrase also begins with a two infinitive verb. It begins with two infinitive verb, and just like the gerund phrase, it also function like a noun. It is used as a noun. Okay, we use it as a subject, we use it as an object and object of preposition. Like to donate time. To donate time is an honorable thing. To donate time is an honorable thing. Here to donate time is two infinitive phrase and function like a noun in the given sentence. Okay, now let us move on toward a positive phrase. A positive phrase defines and then redefines a noun. It restates a noun. Mean you have given a definition to a noun, but through a positive phrase, you redefine that particular noun. Like we have a noun that is horse, and we have already defined it by using possessive adjective that is her. Now we want to give it another definition. We want to restate this word now horse. We want to restate it. We want to redefine it. For that we need a positive phrase. That, like, look at this example. Her horse, an Arabian, was her pride. So an Arabian is a positive phrase. Then we have adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrase. In adverbial phrase we have a group of words, but remember the head word is always an adverb, and it always functions like an adverb in English grammar. Like the horse runs at good speed. Understand? So these underlined words function as an adverbial phrase in the given sentence. Then we have adjective phrase. Just like the adverbial phrase, in adjective phrase we have a group of words and the head word is adjective. The head word is an adjective, and it also functions like an adjective in a sentence. Like Alex was a well-behaved man. Okay, then we have conjunctional phrase. In conjunctional phrase we have two or more than two conjunction, but they function just like a single conjunction in a given sentence, like as soon as you got in, as soon as. The underlined words are conjunction phrase, belong to conjunction phrase. You got in, he got out. So that was all about today.